sperm allergies can they affect your pregnancy journey? I'm Dr. Stan Yeatts, a board-certified OB-GYN with over 30 years of experience in women's health. It may seem hard to believe, but some women are allergic to their partner's sperm. When it comes to intimacy, one condition that might come up is seminal plasma hypersensitivity. The condition HSP is easily undiagnosed due to its rarity and the fact that its symptoms can mimic other common issues. So what exactly happens when you experience HSP? In simple terms, the woman's immune system treats certain proteins found in the semen as threat. These prostate-specific proteins trigger an IgE, immunoglobulin E reaction, which is essentially your body's way of launching an allergic response. Think of it as your immune system creating a reaction as a means of protection. If you have an allergy to a medication as an antibiotic or a food like peanut, it's the same response. While HSP is a relatively rare condition, it's important to consider the possibility if you have experienced new symptoms like skin irritation or itching after intercourse. In severe cases, HSP can lead to anaphylaxis, a potentially life-threatening allergic reaction. That's why it's crucial to seek medical attention if you experience any of the symptoms I'll discuss later. The symptoms of HSP can range from mild to severe. They typically appear within 10 to 30 minutes of exposure. Some of the common symptoms include local reactions like burning, swelling, and intense itching around the contact area, redness and hives around the contact area, systemic reactions like fatigue, flu-like symptoms, or anxiety. In rare but serious cases, anaphylaxis can occur. As for diagnosis, a thorough history and physical examination must be done to understand the patient's symptoms. Then a skin prick test using diluted partner semen is next. This test is about 90% accurate. Finally, rule out other potential causes to confirm the diagnosis of HSP. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is there a cure for this condition? While there's no definitive cure, there are various treatment options that can help manage HSP. Some of these options include barrier methods, using condoms during intimacy, antihistamine medications taken 30 minutes before intimacy, topical treatments for immediate relief, desensitization therapy, which has shown greater than 90% success rate in helping patients build tolerance to their partner's semen. Desensitization therapy is a game changer for many patients with HSP. Not only can it help you build tolerance to your partner's semen, but it can also increase the chances of conceiving. By reducing the risk of allergic reactions, desensitization therapy can make intimacy more normal and less stressful for the couple. So how is exactly the desensitization therapy working? The woman is gradually exposed to increasing concentrations of her partner's semen in a controlled medical setting. Once tolerance is achieved, regular intimacy helps maintain this tolerance. This process is often done under the guidance of a medical professional for your safety. Another common concern is how HSP affects fertility. In most cases, HSP doesn't directly affect fertility, but the symptoms can make it challenging to conceive. If you're experiencing difficulty conceiving due to HSP, there are other options available. Washed sperm with intrauterine insemination. In vitro fertilization is also an option. When it comes to fertility treatment, timing is everything. That's why it's essential to discuss your options with a qualified healthcare provider as soon as possible. By working with a team of specialists, you can increase your chances of conceiving and reduce the risk complication. While data suggests that only a small percentage of people experience HSP, it is a problem that affects many couples all over the world. According to research studies, approximately 3 to 7% of the reproductive population may observe symptoms of HSP. If you're struggling with possible HSP, the first step is acknowledging your symptoms and seeking help. A team of experts, including a women's health provider who's experienced in HSP, an experienced allergist who can help manage your immune system, a reproductive endocrinologist if you're trying to conceive. When you're facing a complex condition like HSP, it's essential to surround yourself with a team of medical professionals who understand your needs. This multidisciplinary approach will ensure you receive comprehensive care and the best possible outcomes. Your medical team will work with you to develop a personalized treatment plan. This may include barrier methods such as using condoms during intimacy, antihistamine medications prior to intimacy, the topical treatments for immediate relief or desensitization therapy. Admitting that you have an allergy to semen can be a daunting experience. Patients may feel embarrassed or ashamed because they don't understand this relatively rare condition. Since the medical community is gaining awareness of the condition, your experiences will be incredibly helpful in creating a more supportive community in fertile couples everywhere. HSP might seem daunting, but the truth is there's hope and solutions available. If you're experiencing recurring post-intimate burning or hives or any of the systemic reactions, don't wait to seek help. Contact a qualified healthcare provider today. The right evaluation and diagnosis will improve your quality of life. Now that you've taken the first step of not acknowledging your symptoms, the next step is to work with a team of medical professionals who can guide you through this journey. At Stork Advisor, we're committed to helping you navigate HSP and achieving your goal. Subscribe to our channel for more expert-reviewed content on women's health and fertility. Join our community of couples who are navigating similar challenges. You're not alone in this journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more essential women's health information. Share this video with someone who might benefit from this knowledge. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. By taking control of your health and working with a team of medical professionals, you can overcome this challenge too. At Stork Advisor, we believe the importance of community. That's why we're committed to creating a supportive network of couples who are navigating similar challenges. Join our community today and connect with others who understand what you're going. This is Dr. Stan. Thank you for joining me today.